Hi, I'm going to pick a winner for the my Etsy store giveaway, and all you need to do is send me an email. My email is listed down below, and you can give me your contact information. The winner gets to choose one thing out of my store. This is my store. The link will be down below. You can pick a bag, a small, or one of these mugs, a small mug. And if you'd like to take a look, if you haven't already, this is my store. I have mugs in here that are crochet. I have a heart pattern. I have a hooker bag and some yarn for sale. Okay, so I want to see, let's see who the winner is. Okay, Jean Horn, congratulations. Hi, I hope you are doing good today. God bless you and your family today and always. Thank you for the awesome giveaway. I don't have Facebook. The project bag would be awesome to win. I don't have any project bag. I just keep my crocheting in a grocery bag. I'm making a baby blanket. Good luck, everyone, and God bless you all. Okay, well, congratulations. All you need to do is just contact me, like I said, with your information. I'll send out the bag or a mug. It looks like you want the bag, so I can send out a small one. But if you have a change of heart and want the mug or something else, let me know when you contact me through an email. And congratulations. Thank you for participating. Thank you, everybody, for watching my videos and subscribing. And make sure to subscribe so you can you can watch more videos that I have coming out in the future. And thank you, everybody.